Yeah, good morning to one and all. This is Naveen Kumar Sriram Moju. So, in the previous class, we have seen about the concept of bitwise operators, and we have seen one example on left shift operator. So, now what we'll do is we will be trying to implement the concept of right shift operator with the help of an example. So, example is like this. So, before that, I'll be saving the file, save as right shift operator. Right, this is how we have to save the file. Now I'm writing comments here in order to better understand what I'm trying to do. Right shift operator, right, and it will be denoted with this symbol. Now I'm going to write the program here. Ash include stdio.h, ash include console input output dot h, int main. Then I am declaring the variables here with some values. So a is 10 and b is equal to 0, and the actual logic is implemented like this. B is equal to a, right shift of 2, right, and I am trying to print the values here. Once the execution is been done, then what we'll do is we will be trying to understand how this code is been implemented, right, a comma b. Then here it is written 0. Now, and I understood that we have completed some code development regarding the implementation of right shift operator. Now I'll save it, then I'll go with the execution part. So first thing is I will be going with the compilation. You can directly switch with the F9, or you can go into the execution part here by clicking the execute label. I'm compiling it, and see here I do not find any errors, any warnings in the code I have written. So the code I have written is perfect without any error. So I will be trying to get the output here. So when I am trying to get the output here, the output is like this, where the value given for a is 10, and on the implementation of right shift operator, the value will become 2 here. The value will become 2 here. So this is okay, but if at all we don't know how the logic is working, then it is waste of time and waste of energy. So what we'll do is we'll be trying to understand the exact logic behind the implementation of right shift operator. For that, what I'm trying to do is I'm going with this screen here, right. So here, as we all know that a value is 10, and a is a integer variable. So point number one here you have to understand is integer variable will occupy 2 bytes of memory. So here I am just visualizing it by showing like a is occupying cell number 101 and cell number 102. This is point to be noted, right. So here, when 10 is converted into binary format, then it will be like 0101 0000, and all the zeros in the rest of the cells. Now we have taken the second variable as b and assigned some value called as 0. So when 0 is assigned, and since b is the integer variable, it will also occupy two cells. One is 103 and second is 104. Now since b's value is 0, there is no ones we can see here, all the zeros only we can see here. Now what we'll do is we will be applying the right shift operator like this. B is equal to a right shift 2, right. It is similar to the left shift operator, but it will be shifting towards the right side. So what we have to do is we have to go with the shifting, and after the shifting the the binary digits will be what we say will be arranged in this fashion: 0 1 0 0 G 0 0 0 0. This is one cell. The second cell is again 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Done with the coding here. Now we have to consider two things here. One is, if at all the initial position is having 0, then it will be a positive number. And here, if at all you count, this is 2 to power of 0, 2 to power of 1, 2 to power of 2, 2 to power of 3, 2 to power of 4, 2 to power of 5, 2 to power of 6, 2 to power of 7, and so on. Right? Now we have to consider only this one. So it will be 2 here, and with the positive symbol. With the positive symbol here. So this is the value of the final result. So here, when we are taking a as 10 and applying the left shift right shift operator, so the value of a when converted into binary and applied the concept of right shift operator will be changing into 2. That's the thing we have got in the output. So I'll be showing you the output again, and I'll be closing the class today. So see here, I have taken a is equal to 10, and on applying the right shift operator, the value of b will become 2. So this is all about today's class. In the tomorrow's class, we'll be talking more on the subject. Thank you.